Hello students, welcome to everyone in today's session. Today we are going to learn transformation of simple, compound and complex sentence. In the previous period, we already seen about how to identify simple sentence, compound sentence and complex sentence. Now we are going to learn how to transform it into simple sentence, compound sentence and complex sentence. Simple sentence. The sentence which has a main clause and phrase is called simple sentence. We know in the simple sentence has only one subject and one predicate, and by itself the meaning of the sentence is complete and no addition is required. And also a simple sentence has only one finite verb also. There may be however phrase with non-finite verbs. We know and we can understood. A simple sentence therefore consists of a single clause that makes complete sense by itself. We know that such a clause is called an independent clause. हमें पता है कि सिंपल सेंटेंस में वन सब्जेक्ट होता है और वन प्रिडिकेट होता है, मतलब एक मेन क्लॉज होता है और एक फ्रेज होती है और उसे खुद का मीनिंग एक ही सेंटेंस में पूरा मीनिंग कंप्लीट हो जाता है, यानी कोई एडिशनल रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं लगती. Okay, so it is a simple sentence. And with the help of following words, we can identify or create a simple sentence. Words are besides, despite, or in spite of, being, having, verb plus ing, to plus verb, due to, on account of, because of. With the help of these words, we can identify or create a simple sentence. Compound sentence. The sentence where two main clauses are connected with a particular conjunctions is called a compound sentence. We know a compound sentence is made up of two or more simple sentences it joined with conjunctions. There are two kinds of conjunctions that join simple sentence to make compound sentence. Those two types are coordinating conjunctions and correlative conjunctions. In coordinating conjunctions, the words are for, and, not, but, or, it, so, etc. These are the coordinating conjunctions. And correlative conjunctions are either or, neither nor, though at, hardly had, when, etc. These are the correlative conjunctions. With the help of these words, these conjunctions, we can identify or create a compound sentence. Complex sentence. The sentence has one main clause and two or more subordinate clauses are called complex sentence. We know in the complex sentence there is one independent sentence and two or more dependent sentences. So that these are the complex sentence. With the help of following words, we can identify or create a complex sentence. These words are who, which, though, although, as, because, since, so that, when, if. With the help of these words, we can identify or create a complex sentence. This chart will help you for interchanging the simple sentence, compound sentence, and complex sentence. Now we are going to learn how to create simple sentence. What is simple sentence? Now pause the video and try to remind what is simple sentence. Hope you remind the simple sentence. As we know, in simple sentence only one subject and one predicate. Whenever we want to form a simple sentence from two different sentences, some keywords are required. They may be participles, infinitive, gerund, etc. By using participles, for example, Rakesh was tired. He sat under a tree to rest. These are two different sentences. Now, if we want to form simple sentence, we must try to understand the meaning. Here, Rakesh was tired. It means Rakesh थका हुआ था. He sat under a tree to rest. वो आराम करने के लिए पेड़ के नीचे बैठा. अब इन दो वाक्यों को हिंदी में एक वाक्य कैसे करेंगे? राकेश थका होने के कारण पेड़ के नीचे आराम करने बैठा. मीन्स बीइंग टायर्ड, Rakesh sat under a tree to rest. For this simple sentence, we use here being and we create a simple sentence. Second sentence is, the man knocked a rope at certain intervals and attached pieces of bamboo in each knot. The simple sentence is, knotting a rope at certain intervals, the man attached pieces of bamboo in each knot. Third sentence is, my uncle was poor. He experienced many ups and downs in his life. These two sentences are different, but as a simple sentence, we use here being and make a simple sentence. Being poor, my uncle experienced many ups and downs in his life. Fourth sentence is, Kabir ran fast. He caught the school bus. Here we use verb plus ing form for make it simple sentence. Running fast, Kabir caught the school bus. They have some work. They must do it. These are two different sentences. And to make a simple sentence, we used here infinitive. It means to plus verb. So the sentence is, they have some work to do. This is a simple sentence. We used here to plus verb form. It means infinitive form for simple sentence. Sixth sentence is, don't eat too much. You will spoil your health. For the simple sentence, we used here gerund form. It means verb plus ing. So, simple sentence is, you will spoil your health by eating too much. This is a simple sentence. Next sentence is, I completed my studies. I went to London. We used here also gerund form to make it simple sentence. After completing my studies, I went to London. It is a simple sentence. So students, I hope you understand to make a simple sentence and also kinds of sentences. Then this chart will help you to identify the sentences, so please note it in your notebook.